Hello, revenue enthusiasts. I wanted to show you some features on QuickBooks Online. Breakaway serves multitude of online accounting platforms. QuickBooks is just one of those, but a lot of people use it, so I thought that I would show you how to budget in QuickBooks today. People use QuickBooks for both business and family accounting. So let me take you to the dashboard. This is QuickBooks Online dashboard. I'm going to move my face down a little bit. The budgeting feature lives up here in this gear icon on the top right. I like to call it the sunshine, but most people say gear. Click this, and under Tools, you will see Budgeting. Click this, and if you've never created a budget before, all you have to do is click Add Budget. Let's name it Demo. Right here, you'll see all the accounts listed on the left. These accounts come directly from your chart of accounts. If you don't know what that means, I would be glad to explain that to you, but it basically lays out the revenue and expenses for all of your company. So under billable expense income, you'll see design income. So let's just pop a number in here by clicking Next. Design income, let's say $500. We anticipate that the company will make $500 in design income each month. Maybe a little bit more in May and June, since those are pretty popular landscaping months. So we'll up those just a little bit. Great. Okay, so you have revenue and design income. Let's scroll down and add, just for example, some advertising dollars. Let's say our annual advertising budget is $12,000. Divided by 12, hit the Tab key, and it will do the function for you. Click the blue arrow, and it will fill all the columns in, totaling $12,000. Each of these is independent. So let's say to get that increased revenue in May and June that we had accommodated for above, we have to spend a little bit more in April. But we still want our annual revenue budget to be $12,000. So maybe after this season, we can decrease it just a little bit. Boom, annual budget of $12,000. So this is all great and fine, but what does this do? Well, let me show you. Click Save and get out of here. On the left side, you will see Reports. Go ahead and click that. We can scroll on down to Business Overview, and under Business Overview, you will see Budget versus Actual. Click on this. I want to see up through the end of February. So I'm going to go ahead and change these to the last day in February. And I am going to want to see all this stuff. Run report. Here's January. Okay, so we actually brought in $975 in design income and had only budgeted $500. That's great. We are over budget. Terrific. Looks like we also went over in February. So this is all great news. So let's scroll on down to expenses. So here's our advertising expense right here. We spent nothing, but we had budgeted $1,000. That's great news. In February, we budgeted $1,000 and only spent $74. If we scroll the cursor over, it's going to show us, let me move myself again, the total. So we can see at the top that we made $1,250 more than we thought. And if we scroll down to advertising, we spent less $1,925 than we thought. So that's great news. If any of this stuff you want to talk more about or learn more about or have a helping hand to get you through this, just reach out. I will put my calendar link below in the comments. I would love to hear from you and just talk. At this time, we are not charging anything to just have a conversation, because right now we are all trying to help each other in this crazy time. So please let me help you with your company, with your business, with your family accounting. I would love to. Thanks so much, you guys.